Hey guys, gonna do a little quick video today, a little walk around on one of Austin Mooneyham's builds. This is in Ozark, Missouri. It's one of our 20 by 40 kits that he purchased and has him and his crew. Marshall's in there tying in the micro bright lights. He's getting ready to tap those and the returns and the skimmers, and this liner is done, all except the filling, which it's about 2 feet to probably 30 inches from finished depth, which would probably take most of the day with hoses. But this pool, like I said, it's 20 by 40. The homeowner, it's a vinyl liner, but he really wanted a jet black pool. He'd seen some of our eco finish black pools, didn't want to do the eco finish to spend the extra money for a mono pour. But this vinyl liner, we actually did some research and found a company that does flat colors without texture, or without patterns, that is. And this is a Merlin liner. It actually costs a little bit more than the Terras we normally put in these pools, but it's straight black, so it's going to be super reflective, like our Pearl Noir eco finish pools. So it's going to give that really cool modern look to the water. You can kind of see that just the way it shimmers on the bottom. It looks really, it would fool your eye if you didn't know you were looking at a liner. It looks like an eco finish pool with that vinyl being jet black like that. So I said Austin's guys built this one, and I know Austin did tell me that they've got a couple slots open for fall. He does most of his builds in Southwest Missouri and Northwest Arkansas. But when you guys call me and need help elsewhere around the country, I know he's doing one in Louisiana for us this fall, but he does have a crew that travels around. So if you got a big monopore project, something like that, he's the guy who helped me with the Dauphin Island pools last winter. So just kind of give Austin a plug. His guys, like I said, they're quick, so they've got at least 1 or 2 slots open for fall. I think this spring they've got a lot going on in Northwest Arkansas, but you always they can always have room for one more. So I'll give you his contact information on the video right here. You can give him a shout. Put in promo code GURU when you call him, and if you buy a pool from him, I think he gets you a free robotic cleaner for for using the code GURU. So yeah, give him a shout, and he does really good work. As you can see, beautiful pool, 20 by 40 Fox blocks vinyl liner.